Best deals.
1. Electric kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Made up of food-grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Window glass cleaner. Designed as window cleaning tools and glass window cleaning tools, this set doubles as a glass wiper for windows and mirror cleaner for home, office, or car use. Magnetic window cleaner double-sided securely grips the glass, offering effortless cleaning. Works as a glass cleaner magnetic tool to wipe dirt, dust, and water stains with ease. Window cleaning brush two sides design makes it easy to clean both inner and outer surfaces simultaneously. Perfect as a magnetic window cleaner for glass windows, mirrors, and sliding doors. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Storage basket. The basket folds easily when not in use, saving valuable space in tight areas like laundry rooms, bathrooms, and closets. Designed with multiple compartments to separate children's and adults' clothing, light and dark garments, or towels and toiletries. Smooth rolling 360 degrees wheels make movement effortless. Brake locks provide stability when needed, ensuring secure and safe use. Made from strong PP material, the structure is stable, high capacity, and resistant to deformation. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage containers. Optimize your kitchen storage with our under-shelf containers, turning unused space into valuable storage. The hanging design keeps your countertop clutter-free and organized. Enjoy hassle-free setup with 3 MVHB tape, providing a secure hold without damaging your walls. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Shelf. Ideal for small bathrooms, it optimizes vertical space with a wall-mounted bathroom rack to keep your space clutter-free. Features 3 spacious tiers to organize your bathroom shelves, bathroom stand, and other accessories efficiently. Perfect for storing bathroom accessories, soap stand, and more. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tadka pan. The beechwood handle is heat insulated and non-slip, providing a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. The medical stone material ensures rapid and even heat conduction, making cooking faster and more efficient. With a 5 cm deep body, this tadka pan is ideal for frying spices, dal, and more, offering versatile cooking options. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Portable blender. Powered with a 230-watt motor and fitted with 304 stainless steel blades so you can blend your shakes, smoothies, crush ice and anything else in seconds. Built with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, a portable blender has a long battery life and can be charged by any device that has a USB port. USB-C type charging cable included. Blend anywhere at any time with our smoothie blender that can be easily stored and used in places like your office and gym or while you are camping and traveling. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Rice pot drainer. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. Rice drainer stand that neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Rice strainer stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Simplify your post-cooking routine with a rice pot drainer stand. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grill. Made of premium stainless steel and solid construction, stainless steel and featuring a robust broad-rimmed framework design, the wire can be perfectly tucked in the frame. Intelligently designed to make the best out of the product, the grill has an attached wide hole in the handle for hanging purposes when not in use. Besides, it also helps the sieve stay hooked, pot safely thereby preventing it from falling in. Features a sturdy outer mirror finished, broad-rimmed structure that won't corrode or bend. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Travel pouch. The exterior design of the jewelry kit is a seamless fusion of sophistication and functionality. This beautifully crafted kit doesn't merely store your precious items, becoming an exquisite addition to your dressing table or travel essentials. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cast iron kadhai. Made from high-quality cast iron, this kadhai offers exceptional heat retention and even heat distribution, making it perfect for cooking a variety of dishes. Its robust construction ensures consistent cooking temperatures, whether you are preparing slow-cooked stews or quick stir-fries. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, ties, handkerchiefs and other small garments. Keeps your inner wears clean. Space-saving. Simply unzip the underside and fold flat to stow. And open the zip when ready for use. Easy to store at home and carry in travel. Good quality fabric, meticulous stitching with durable base. Comes with laid cover to protect inner wears from dust. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Water dispenser pump. Get fresh water instantly with just a single press, perfect for kids, adults, and seniors. Built with a 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it dispenses 5 to 6 full 20L bottles on a single charge. Made with BPA-free, food-grade silicone and high-density ABS plastic to ensure pure and safe drinking water. Comes with a detachable spout for effortless cleaning and maintenance. Fits most standard gallon bottles, making it versatile for home, office, school, or outdoor trips. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Egg boiler. Keeps you safe with overheat protection, making sure your cooking experience is worry-free. Cook up to 7 eggs using egg boiler. Choose from 3 different ways to boil or steam: soft, medium and hard. This egg boiler turns off automatically after the egg boils, so you don't have to constantly check on your eggs. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Flat squeeze mop. Keeps clean and dirty water in separate chambers, ensuring every mop uses only fresh water. Never mop with dirty water again. Cleaning essentials are designed for maximum flexibility. It easily reaches under furniture, along edges, and into corners for complete, dust-free cleaning. The scraping teeth on the bucket easily remove hair and debris from the mop, eliminating the need to clean dirt with your hands. The highly absorbent microfiber mop head efficiently captures dust, dirt, and hairs, perfect for pet owners and busy households. High-speed spinning action removes excess water quickly, allowing you to control the mop's moisture level for effective and customized cleaning. Equipped with an injection port for easy water or detergent refill, and an outlet for quick, mess-free drainage, no more handling dirty water. Product link is given in the 15th link.